Welcome back for your business news now. It's the man, Mike Eppel. I don't know why I said it's the man. It's the man, Mike Eppel. The man. Hi, good morning, Mike. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I don't know. Sometimes words just come out. They don't make sense.
Look, it's early. It's okay.
It's early.
It's all good.
Okay, so if you haven't heard of GameStop, what is GameStop?
Yes.
Honestly,
it's a retailer.
Okay.
It's a retailer that sells video games.
I am not a gamer, so there you have it. So
there you go.
But I am seeing the numbers this morning, and that's massive.
Yes. Yeah, GameStop won't stop. This has become basically a game on the market, Melanie. This is a company that not that long ago was one of these retail brands that was sort of on the brink of going away. Nowadays you can download new video games. You don't physically have to go into a store to buy them. So there were a bunch of investors, hedge funds, who bet against the future existence of GameStop. It's called shorting a stock. You basically bet on it to decline. Well, apparently this kicked off a wave of anger on Reddit blog posts for video game types who said, well, let's buy the stock and squeeze the investors who have bet against the company, and it basically creates an infinite loop. Mm-hmm. And Reddit blogs have gone stratospheric with their hyperbole about GameStop and where this stock is going to go. And it's not just this company, it's BlackBerry, Express, another retail name, AMC Entertainment, which just earlier this week was on the brink of bankruptcy. And you look at these share prices, GameStop this morning is up 150%. It's north of $300 US. You could have bought it for about $10 just a few weeks ago.
Shoot. Yep.
Yeah, well, this is the thing, but it's just propelling. Elon Musk was tweeting about it last night. One of the Winklevi twins, who were early investors in Bitcoin, made famous by their split from Mark Zuckerberg in the early days of Facebook. I digress. So anyway, keep an eye on it. It's funny, and yet it's not, because it basically makes the markets a casino, and somebody's going to get hurt because they're going to get in too late, mm-hmm. and they're going to lose a lot of money. But right now, it's interesting to watch nonetheless.
To watch. Okay, so maybe don't jump into this investing game
again,
yet.
You're gambling, because it's not based on earnings, it's not based on fundamentals, it's not based on anything other than Reddit blog posts.
Right. Let's talk about some more numbers, and that's Toronto. The Toronto rental market has been interesting, which you've been watching throughout this pandemic, and the trends that you've been seeing.
Well, the trend has been down. It's been the friend of people who have been looking to rent, because over a year ago, average price for anything decent in size was about $2,400 a month, and now it's down to around $2,000, according to Bullpen Research and their latest survey of Toronto rental prices. But 13 consecutive months of declines for prices, anywhere from 10 to 20%, and it doesn't seem to be just the downtown, Melanie. It's all over the place, which is kind of interesting, because I thought, okay, are people moving for bigger places out in the burbs or something? That seems to be a phenomenon in real estate, purchasing things, but maybe the market's just overbuilt. They're also saying we haven't seen any foreign students coming in for education, post-secondary education. Immigration numbers are way down, and the market may have been overbuilt. Condo rents are down as well, and if those drop, then are the prices of condos suspect, because you got to get the rent to pay the bills on what you owe on the mortgage.
Yeah, it's all of this.
Yeah.
I'm just making a circle, again, if you can see me.
The infinite loop, right?
You got it, Mike. All right, tomorrow we're going to check in with you again. We're going to be watching some big earnings from your favorite Tesla and Apple, so that's all coming down.
Oh, they've got a lot to live up to, but Apple might have a $100 billion quarter because of the iPhone 12. Microsoft had $43 billion in sales because of video games, Xbox, and work from home, and cloud computing, and all these wonderful things. That's a company that actually makes money.
There it is. All right, Mike. Have a good one. We'll talk to you again tomorrow.
Thank you.
Okay, still to come here on Breakfast Television, a big development in Canada's rush for more vaccines. It's the first fully made-in-Canada shot, now starting human trials here in Toronto. So on the other side of the break, we're going to be hearing from the Chief Medical Officer for Providence Therapeutics. We'll be right back.